Hello YouTube. In this video, we're going to see how to run your personal AI on your computer. So to run this AI, you need a bit of medium to higher end device or higher end computers to run it smoothly. So before I want to talk about this AI, we're gonna jump into some discussions about what sort of advantage you can take from a personal AI. First of all, with the personal AI, you can literally ask anything to your AI and nobody gets your information like, Open AI will get your information if you ask something in ChatGPT. Or maybe if you're giving something to your personal information to GPT and it's making something for you, those informations will be saved on OpenAI's database. So if you don't want to do that, if you want to keep it private, and maybe a lot of individuals do want to keep their information private, and mostly it's the companies and the big industries who does not want to get off his leak their data. So in this video we're going to see how to actually run an LLM model. We're going to see some various famous LLM models running in my computer. Now in this computer, I've got some specs. So the task manager. Well, it's AMD Ryzen 5 5600G with Radeon graphics. So in here you can see I don't have any sort of graphics card in my computer. So for that reason, the generations which I'll be showing you, which will be generated by my personal AI, which will be running in my computer using my computer's resources, will definitely generate a bit slow because you see the specs I've got here is not very competent to run a personal AI model smoothly. But definitely you can get generations from it. But it also depends on what sort of AI model you take to generate. So to run personal AI models, we're gonna use a third-party software called LM Studio. So we're gonna go there and search LM Studio. There we go. So this is this website that we're looking for, and we're gonna simply enter it. And you have to download the LM Studio for Windows. So I'm not gonna show the download process here because I've already installed it, and it's downloading and installing. This is a pretty much basic, like a normal website, normal software you installed in a computer. So downloaded the exe file, then follow the instructions, you should be good to go. So after downloading this, you should have this after installing LM Studio, you should see a logo in your desktop. Maybe if you don't see that, then search LM Studio, then run as administrator, or maybe just open will do just fine. So it's opening right now. You can already see that I've generated a couple of generations, couple of texts by it. Okay, so let me just show you what sort of model that I'm looking for. So in here, let me first of all tell you, AI models, there are plenty types of AI models available in this platform. So we're gonna just go here, discover. Then if you want to run any sort of AI models you're seeing here, you can run it. So first of all, let me tell you, AI models intelligence depends on its B. So you can see on every model there's a sign. It says 22B in the last in this name. So it means it's pretty intelligent and it will eat up your PC resources. Now this one you see is 8B. So it means that it will eat up much less resources than a 22B model will do. And just like that, a 32B model will eat up more resources than a 22B model. So If you want more intelligent models, then you can go for higher Bs. Even 70 Bs are available. But in my PC, even the 24B models run very, slow. But nonetheless, you can also run 8B models. These are also intelligent, but these will not give you, results as depending on your expectations. So, okay, so we're not here. We're here to see some AI models which will generate generations without any sort of restrictions. So, to get those AI models, which actually does not have any restrictions or any, hindrance, you can literally tell it to generate anything, any sort of information, legal, illegal, anything. So this is, first of all, let me tell you, this is for education purposes only. Do not use this method to do any sort of harmful tasks. So, okay, so to find those models, you're going to search it cognitive. Cognitive. Okay, so this is the page that we're looking for. So we're going to download the Dolphin cognitive mode AI, which is, does not have any sort of restrictions to generate any sort of models. So you can download any model from here. 8B models runs fast, generates fast, but they are not that intelligent. Well, for me, I actually went for a 24B model, which okay, this is 72B. I'll not like to, install. I've actually installed it, but this one eats up a lot of resources, and my PC cannot handle this. So I just went for this one, 24B, and you see here that they tell you about this. They have trained it, so you just have to just download this file, and after downloading it, you are good to go. And after downloading it, you'll be able to see, when you click here, you'll see your model just here. So I've downloaded this model. It's currently loading. So, after downloading it, you will get an option to load the model. Then you can definitely load it. Okay, that's cool. So in here, you have to select some cores, to generate the generation time. So the pool size is set to 4 because my CPU has got only 6 cores. So I kept the thread on 4. So that's why by doing that, my CPU will not crash. If you go overloading, or if you overload the pool size, then your computer can crash when generating any sort of response. So let me just show you why this is special. I can literally, ask it what's the capital of France. Okay, guys, you can see that it has generated this response, and you see it has taken 20 to 30 seconds, or maybe more than that, to just write a line. So you can, definitely guess what sort of specs you need to run these sort of models smoothly. Well, 24B is a big model. That's why it's taking too much time. It's very intelligent also. So for me, I don't actually care about the time. What I need is a good generation. That's why I use this. So let's type some illegal things and see that if it responds or not. If I tell it to how to hack people, then let's see. Normally, if you go to ChatGPT or any internet model, AI models, and ask them to how to hack a particular person, they will not answer. They'll say that the response is out of my restrictions, so I can't do that. So let's ask it. Let's see what it generates. Okay, guys, here you can see that I have asked it how to hack a person to tell it short, because I don't know, waste too much time, but still it's taking too much time. You can see the generation speed is very low, but still it's generating quite a competent generation basically. So what I want to tell you that if I ask anything to it, what I mean by anything is everything. If I ask any sort of illegal information to give me, it will give me. If I ask it to make me some to tell me how to make some drugs and stuff, it will make me send me the steps to make a particular drug or medicine, whatever it is. I mean, it can literally generate any sort of information for you, and without informing any other third party person. Now, a lot of guys will ask me that we're generating responses by this model, then would LM Studio will be able to view our generations? Well, maybe they do, but it doesn't matter because you see, I don't have to log in this platform to use it. I mean, I didn't. Maybe you have to. Maybe you have to. Yes. So I actually didn't log in this app, but you maybe do it. I mean, I don't think they receive any sort of information which you're generating. You can literally generate any sort of information without any sort of internet connection. So that's why there's no chance they're getting any sort of information from your generations, and definitely they're not taking what sort of data or sort of questions are you asking into your model, because after downloading your model to your PC and it's using your own resources, it's totally yours. So that's it. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you want any sort of other tech related service. I'll probably be able to help you with that. Thanks.